Hey there folks, welcome to another Golden Rule Tips and Tricks session. I'm Brandin Gorman, your friendly HVAC technician at Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical. Today we're going to discuss something super important, how to clean the air in your home and keep it feeling fresh. Indoor air quality is a big deal, and trust me, I get it. We all want to breathe in the good stuff, right? So let me share some simple yet effective ways to ensure that your home's air is as clean and crisp as the eye will breeze. First up, let's show some love to your HVAC system. Think of it as the lungs of your home. Just like you need clean air to breathe, your HVAC system needs a little TLC to keep things running smoothly. That's where a good old filter change comes in handy. It's like giving your HVAC system fresh air to breathe. And speaking of filters, upgrading to a high quality HEPA filter can make a world of difference in capturing those pesky particles floating around. Now here's a tip that won't cost you a dime. Open up those windows. Letting in some fresh air can do wonders for your indoor environment. It's like giving your home a little airing out session. Next up, let's talk about keeping things clean. Dusting, vacuuming, and mopping regularly can keep allergens at bay. Trust me, your home will thank you for it. And don't forget about humidity control. Investing in a humidifier or dehumidifier can help keep things just right. For optimal comfort and air quality, aim for a humidity level between 30 and 50%. Now don't sweat it if you're still not feeling the freshness. Sometimes indoor air quality issues require a pro's touch. That's where we come in. At Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical, we have the expertise and tools to get your home's air quality back on track. Well folks, that's a wrap for today's session. I hope you found these tips helpful in clearing the air and creating a healthier home environment. Remember, if you ever need a hand, Golden Rule is just a phone call away. Until next time, breathe easy, my friends.